In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sam's Club Scan and Go app. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is download the Sam's Club app from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Sam's Club account. If you're a new member, you can create an account directly in the app before moving on. After signing in, make sure your membership is linked properly and that you've added a valid payment method. This is important because Scan and Go is designed to let you shop and pay right from your phone. So having those details set up ahead of time will make the process much smoother once you're in the store. Next, head to a Sam's Club location and open the app while you're inside. This part matters because the scanner feature is only available when you're physically in a participating Sam's Club store. When the app recognizes your location, tap the Scan and Go button at the bottom of the screen to launch the scanner. As you shop, scan the barcode on each item before placing it in your cart. Try to do this one item at a time so it's easier to keep everything accurate. If you're buying multiple quantities of the same product, take a moment to confirm the number shown in your cart so you don't accidentally undercount or overcount. While you continue shopping, it's a good idea to review your cart occasionally. This helps you confirm that the correct items and quantities have been added. If something doesn't look right, you can remove an item or edit it before checkout, which is much easier than catching an issue after payment. Once you finish shopping, tap Checkout in the app. At that point, you'll be asked to confirm your payment method and complete the purchase. After your payment is approved, the app will generate a digital receipt along with an exit QR code. Before leaving the club, have that exit QR code ready on your phone. You'll need to show it to the associate or the exit verification system as you head out. This is the final step that confirms your purchase and allows you to leave with your items. Finally, if you ever need to look back at what you bought, you can save or view your receipt anytime in the Sam's Club app. That can be especially helpful for returns, tracking purchases, or keeping records for later. And that's how to use Sam's Club Scan and Go quickly and conveniently.